Gage Lebag were open racing. All in front is taken by Speak Low. Moving up now the outside, Lady Lauren. Cool Shallow also showing speed in the early parts. Then followed by Conquista Boy. Around the outside now, Storm Signal. Passing the winning post. It's Speak Low leading by flank, followed by Cool Shallow. Running in third, Lady Lauren. Storm Signal now from the outside for then followed by Conquista Boy. Running battle with his bloodline. Moving up now is Conquista Royal. Into the back they travel. Speak Low leading by some 3 lengths. Storm Signal now the outside. Running in third. Cool Shallow. Here comes Conquista Royal moving up to take third. Lady Lauren running battle with his bloodline. And down the half mile they travel. Storm Signal, Speak Low, fighting it out for the leader. Conquista Royal now the outside. But still Storm Signal, Conquista Royal. And running by the wheel, Speak Low, Lady Lauren Cole, Shallow moving up now, Shades of Red. It's now Conquista Royal from the outside, Speak Low. Storm Signal, Shades of Red, Cool Shallow. As they come up towards the home turn. Conquista Royal na the outside, Speak Low, running in 30, Storm Signal, Shades of Red, and hitting the finish line is still Conquista Royal, and running by the wheel, Speak Low, Shades of Red on the outside, but still Conquista Royal, and finally Conquista Royal, Shades of Red, Speak Low, Conquista Boy, Sharp Eye,